What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to install your Cubase 15 to upgrade yourself. And let me tell you something, if you don't upgrade yourself as an engineer, it's either your artist upgrade himself by changing you. So now in this video I'm going to show you how to install your Cubase 15. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure that you have everything that have Steinberg blah blah blah, you remove it from your computer. If you have already installed Cubase 15 and it didn't work for you, and if you have not installed Cubase 15 already, or you are just waiting for a video before you install it, then you kindly follow me like this. And before we get into it, kindly like and follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and drop your comment under my comment section under every video that I post in my account, so that I will know that indeed you are very serious about my videos, so that I can bring you more videos like never before. So now, before that, we have to make sure we remove everything, or we uninstall everything that have a name Steinberg from our computer. And we are going to do that by going to our search bar here. You click on it, you type control panel, you double click on it, very nice, like this. Then you come to uninstall a program, you click on it, very nice. Now then you come down and you look for everything that have a name Steinberg on your computer. We found one here. This is Steinberg no window. This is different from Cubase, so I can decide to remove it or keep it. So let me remove everything that have a name Steinberg. So we will start it from here. Here is Steinberg library manager. You remove it, very nice. Then you remove the Steinberg media B, very nice. Then you come to this is a wave lab. This is a mastering software, so we are not going to remove it. And this is Steinberg in the window 14. This is different. So now let's go and look for everything, something that have a name Steinberg. You can see here we have Steinberg activation manager. Then you right click and you click on uninstall. Then you see we still have Steinberg Cubase 15 here. You uninstall it again. This one is Steinberg Hypersonic. This is not for Cubase. This is not for Cubase. This is a VST plugin. So as you can see, I say what Steinberg Hypersonic what VST. So we keep that one. Now let's go down and see. So it is done. Now what we are going to do is to close the control panel, blah blah blah. Then now you locate your folder on your computer where you have your Cubase software being installed. For my own, I have it here. So what I'm going to do is to double click on it like this, and it will give us a windows like this. And the reason why my own is showing this way is that I have zipped it for future. For the future, I have zipped it. So like this, no matter how broke your Windows should become, or how old your Windows should become, or the virus that will attack your computer, it will not be able to destroy your software. So I zip it. So I have to double click and open it again. If you no go make a pass, you no go reach. So now once we have our software, our window being open like this, the first thing we are going to do is to come here if you open the folder, it says what? Sternberg Library Manager, and that is the first thing we are going to install on our computer. If you don't install the Sternberg library, it will be difficult for you to be able to install any other thing that is in the Cubase 15 Pro or Cubase 15 folder. So now this is our library manager. As you can see, it's for what? 64-bit zip. It's for 64-bit. You double click on it like this, and it will bring you something like this. Now you open this folder, and you come down here. It says what? Setup. You double click on the setup. Now we have something like this. So what we are going to do next is to click next here. You come down here, you can see we have our next there. You click it, then you click on accept, then you come here, you click next, you click next again, and you click install. Once it is finished, you click on finish like this, and you're good to go. So once we have our first installation done, which is our Sternberg Library Manager, we can close this folder we have here, or this right here. And now the second thing that we are going to install is the Cubase itself. So now you come back here and you install this one. It says what? Cubase 15.05 installer, which is also for 64 bit. You double click on it, then you double click on this folder to open it very nicely. You can see it says what? Setup. Double click on the setup like this. You have patience for it to load for you. The name of this artist that you can see him singing at my background video is called Shatawale, who is African dancehall king, rated and confirmed by Vice Cartel. Yes, the dancehall god Vice Cartel himself. So you can go to the social media and search him, Shatawale, SHAWTA, Wale, WALE. And the album that I'm playing is called Safa album, which is spelled in SAFA, Safa album. Now let's come back to our tutorial. Now to remind you again, kindly subscribe to my page so that whenever I do video, I bring new videos, you can have a notification and you follow the videos, and you like and you drop your comments also over there. And if you are there or you are watching my video and you don't have the Cubase 15, you can also send me a message on Telegram or you WhatsApp me, then I will share you the software. Then you have your Cubase 15 being installed also. Okay, so now back to our video. Once we have our windows being showed like this, what we are going to do is to come down here and click on next. So you can see when we click on the next button, it has popped up another windows for us. So you click on accept again, then you come down and you click on next. Very nice. Then you click on install. You click install again. Kila Jimmy, I am Ala. Kila Jimmy. You wait patiently for it to install for you. Once it is done, you can click on finish, and then you can close this WinRAR file you have here. So now the next thing we are going to install is our media bay or the rest of them. So you come to this folder again, you look for it. It says what? Media bay installer. Then you double click on it. Once it is open like this, you double click on the folder again. Then you locate the setup like this. Then you double click on it. You click next. You click accept again. You click next. You click next again. You click install. And you click finish. Very nice. Then you close this Windows or this WinRAR file again. Now let's install our Sternberg activation manager, which is this one here. So you double click on it like this. You open the folder. Now you double click on the setup. You click next. You click accept. You click next. You click next. You click install. You click finish. Now once it is done, you can close the WinRAR file again, and then we are going back to install the activation library or whatever again. So we are going to click this folder we are having here on the WinRAR file here. You double click and you go back. Then you come down here, you can see the activation manager, and they say what? Activation manager unlocker. So meaning if you don't install this one, everything that you have installed in the Sternberg folder or in Cubase is useless. You cannot use it. So we are going to install that by double clicking on it like this very nicely. Once we have our windows being pop up like this, you can come down here and click on the next. Then you click on finish. Now it is done. And most of the times it demands internet to sign in, but we are going to skip it for now because I don't have my internet connection. So what we are going to do is to come and locate it on, you can see we have our Cubase on our desktop like this. You just double click on it, it is done. You see welcome to activation, welcome to activate your software. Please sign in. So if I have internet connection, I can click and sign in, but once I don't have it, I can skip it, and I can still use my Cubase without any interruption or distraction. So we have it like this. Now it is done, and my next video is going to be on how to locate your VST plugins in your Cubase, how to locate your VST plugins. So if you know you are interested in the videos, just comment and drop and follow my page and subscribe and like it.